In this video, I'm going to show you how to recover TikTok streak. First, check if the streak feature is available to you. TikTok is still rolling out the streak feature, so sometimes it may glitch or not show for everyone. Also, make sure your TikTok app is updated to the latest version via Google Play, Play Store, or Apple App Store. Second, verify the streak actually ended. Sometimes streaks disappear because of a bug, slow internet, or app not refreshing. Close and reopen TikTok, then check your inbox, then Streaks tab. Third, contact TikTok support. If your streak ended because of an app error or technical issue, you can request recovery. Open TikTok and go to your profile. Tap the three lines menu icon, then click Settings and Privacy. Scroll down and select Report a Problem. Then go to Streaks, then tap Lost a Streak. Fill out the form, include your friend's username and when the streak disappeared. Then submit your request. TikTok may restore your streak if once lost due to a glitch, but if ended because neither you interacted within 24 hours, they may not recover it. And that's it. That's how to recover streak in TikTok.